Hello to everyone and welcome back to video, or to the same video where I test the Osmo Nano. I finished at my grandma. Today is still the 24th of December. Oh, they redid the street. Nice. Actually, this road is closed to everyone. So in theory, it's illegal to ride here, but my grandma lives on this road. So I am allowed here, I hope. And yeah, it's not that nice of weather. It is said that it is going to snow today. I hope so. It's really cold, 6 degrees Celsius. I do not have any specific protection. I ride with my summer gloves, which are extra, so it enhances the airflow. I wear normal trousers. And I got my Dainese backpack. I need to be careful for slipping. And yeah. How are you celebrating today? What are you doing today? Write it in the comments. Or what did you do on the 24th or 25th, depending on when you celebrate Christmas. For me, we go to my grandma with my whole cousin group and my aunts and uncles, and we celebrate. What are your plans on Christmas Eve? In America, I know that the people on Christmas celebrate on the 25th. Early in the morning, and they unpack the gifts Santa brought overnight. But in Europe you celebrate on the 24th at night. Oh no, I got a bus in front of me. Let me pass. And up to +7. But if you configure it in the mapping, you can only go from 0 to 5. So what's the real one? 0 to 5 or -7 to +7? I don't get it. By the way, one thing I noticed about the Osmo Nano, the base station, the battery is always on, and it consumes a lot of battery just because it stays on, and there's no way, I found at least, where you can permanently shut it off like my Osmo 4, which you can shut off, and it is shut off, not standby, not nothing. But the Osmo Nano is always in some sort of standby, and it drains the battery. And I do not know how to avoid it. Nice Porsche. Ma oddio cane! Ma... Wow. Bruh, did you see that? Such a little piece of shit. Guys, one thing I noticed, my right hand feels boiling and my left one got almost no heat. How come?